Wild nature will teach you many lessons that will play a pivotal role in building your life. And if you want to test your mental strength and physical prowess, there is no better place than the wilderness. But wilderness means staying away from all the modern amenities. Therefore, surviving in the wilderness is not as easy as it may seem. As we all are accustomed to the contemporary lifestyle, barely knowing how to stay in the woods, there's a high likelihood of an unexpected or unforeseen situation. And the position might require us to survive till we are rescued. Keeping that in mind, we'll present you with the top 12 wilderness survival tips and tricks that you should know to make sure you stay alive and get home safely. Survival requires proper planning. So, when the situation requires you to survive, you need to clear your mind, stay calm, and identify the challenges ahead of you. You can do that only if you focus on a positive and a proactive attitude, which will ultimately increase the likelihood of your survival. If you're lost in the woods or something unexpected happens, remember to list down and inventory all the resources you have with you. Keep every resource you've got and take them with you. Do not underestimate the worthiness of even the smallest item because that can save your life. In a life-threatening situation where survival is a priority, always remember that you need to signal for help to get rescued. And it would be the best if you came up with a solid plan for that. For instance, you can prepare a giant, easily visible fire pit, make a stone structure in the form of SOS or help, use a mirror or a shiny object for signaling, or use a survival whistle if you have one. It's a wise idea to have a compass with you. We're talking about an ordinary compass that requires no electricity here. When you're lost in the woods and don't know in which direction you should go, a compass can save your day. Your feet. They take you to places allowing you to run, hike, climb, and so on. You need to take care of them. If somehow your boots get wet, it's terrible for your feet. It would be best if you kept your shoes dry. There is a simple solution. Make some stones hot from the campfire you made and place them inside your shoes. And that's it. Your wet and cold shoes will become dry again. Mosquitoes are annoying and can cause you serious trouble, so you better stay away from them. If you don't have mosquito repellents or mosquito nets, try using pine needles, crush them on your hands, and try applying them to your clothes. Mosquitoes will stay away. Sometimes all you need is a positive attitude and a knife. To overcome a number of challenging situations, a knife can be a reliable friend. From building a shelter, a trap, protecting yourself, or preparing a game, a quality knife has a variety of usage. Learn how to make simple traps or even make a spear out of tree branch so that you can catch a small game or catch fish for food. Besides, if you know how to make traps, it might also protect you from wild animals. Use a tin can for making a small wood-burning stove. A tin can will deflect the wind, allowing you to use the maximum amount of flame. Just add some small woods, sticks, or twigs to the stove and light them, and you can boil water or prepare your food. Starting a fire is not that simple, even if you have a fire starter with you. It requires skill, patience, and dry fire starting materials. If you're struggling to find tinders, you can collect cotton and wool fabric from your sock. Besides, the inside foam padding of your backpack is also flammable. Use them instead of tinders to start a fire quickly. Do you remember this trick? It's impossible not to have any food and survive. In a survival situation, you do need both physical and mental strength. For that, you need food. Water is the most essential for your life. Do boil them before drinking and try to find fruits and plants, though they're tricky. You can only eat those you're sure are not poisonous. The easiest way is to eat small bugs, insects, larvae, etc., as they are full of proteins. However, it is advised to know what to eat and what not. The essential task in a survival situation is to make a shelter. A shelter can be for both warm and cold environments. Find a fallen log or some tree branches, cut them with the help of a knife to make a shelter. In colder climates, building an insulated shelter can help protect you from hypothermia. And in warm environments, shade shelters can help you keep yourself cool. Anyways, shelters will also provide protection. Survival in the wilderness is not a very easy task. However, you need to plan correctly, stay calm, and make it easy on yourself. And the easier you can do it, the more chances you'll have of surviving. So that was all about the top 12 wilderness survival tips and tricks that you should know. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful.